Hello, my name is James Jeffries and I'm the Engineering Manager at Amarinth. This video is going to help you to correctly set the impeller clearance on a vertical pump. The required tools will be listed in the description box. Please ensure full PPE is worn where necessary. To gain access to the mechanical seal, first remove the coupling guard by releasing the captive screws. Reinstate the setting plates by sliding into place and then tightening using a suitable size spanner. Release the mechanical seal from the shaft by undoing the grub screw with the correct sized Allen key. Remove the coupling spacer assembly and place to one side in a clean and safe location. To give better access, using mole grips, gently clamp the cooling fan to the hub. Using a 10mm spanner, undo the hex screw. Loosen but do not fully remove. Fully remove the grub screw using a 4mm Allen key and put safely to one side. We will now use a DTI to measure the end float of the shaft. Check the DTI pin is perpendicular to the end of the shaft and then zero the dial gauge. Using a C-spanner, turn the shaft lock nut in a clockwise direction until it will not rotate anymore. Whilst doing this, you will have noticed the shaft move as indicated on the DTI gauge. The back of the impeller is now touching the casing. Reset the DTI gauge to 0. Using a C-spanner, rotate the lock nut anti-clockwise, which will lower the shaft. Continue turning the lock nut until the DTI indicates a difference of 0.7mm. The impeller back vane clearance is now set at 0.7mm. Continue rotating the shaft lock nut anti-clockwise until the next grub screw hole aligns with the keyway. Secure the lock nut to the bearing housing by tightening evenly the 3 hex set screws. Tighten the grub screws until it is fully located in the shaft keyway. Be careful not to over tighten. Secure the mechanical seal to the shaft by tightening the grub screw. Release the setting plates, rotate out of the way and re-tighten. Reinstate the coupling spacer and align the coupling. Finally, fit the coupling guard and secure by tightening the screws. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it's been beneficial. Other useful videos are available. Please visit the Amarinth channel and click subscribe.